animal sound.
1, 2, 3, 4. These are the animal sounds. Let's sing and move around from the ground up to the sky. Let's hear them blow high. Blue the ant goes tap, tap, tap. The bunny goes hop, hop, hop. The cow goes moo, moo. The dog goes woof, woof, woof. These are the animal sounds. Let's sing and move around from the forest to the sea. They're all wild and free. The elephant goes paw-woo, paw-woo. The frog goes ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. The gorilla goes ooh, ooh, ah, ah. The horse goes neigh, neigh, neigh. These are the animal sounds. Let's sing and move around from the mountain to the plain. Sing again and shout their names. The iguana goes hiss, hiss, hiss. The jaguar goes growl, growl, growl. The kangaroo goes boing, boing, boing. The lion goes roar, roar, roar. These are the animal sounds. Let's sing and move around from the desert to the snow. Let's go, go.
Hey guys, do you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe, subscribe. Search for Edufam and YouTube.
Thank you for watching.